National Weather Service in Burlington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Franklin County in northern New York, central St. Lawrence County in northern New York, until 4:45 p.m. At 3:47 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These severe storms extended from Norwood to Morley to Hupleton and were moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Locations include but are not limited to Potsdam, Kenton, Stockholm Center, Lecoq, Hopkins, West Pierrepont, South Colton, Russell, Cherry Falls Reservoir, Degras. This line of severe thunderstorms is also producing deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. When you can do so safely, please report damaging winds or hail to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-863-4279 or by submitting a storm report at weather.gov/Burlington. Get to safety immediately when threatening weather approaches. Winds may knock down trees and power lines and damage buildings. Large hail may cause injury and damage property. Now the official